Welcome, everyone, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to join us here. My name is Karen Bricken, and I am a health program specialist and educator here in Mecklenburg County. I have been working closely with our community for over 3 years now, and I am excited to share our most recent incentive here in Charlotte that deals directly with our youth and elementary school students. Today, I would like to go into detail about our new program in Mecklenburg County and surrounding areas called Less is More, which will be focusing on the reduction of processed meat in our school and carry over into the home. Our first step, along with educator efforts, will be introducing a menu plan for Meatless Monday within the elementary schools. One of the largest issues our community faces with diabetes and cancer is related to the excess consumption of processed and red meats. By a show of hands, how many of you here today eat some type of meat product at least 3 times a week? How about 3 to 5 times a week? And still yet, who can say that on average they will have meat in their diets as many as 6 to 7 days a week? The recent polls and numbers with our community have shown an increase of consumption in the number of processed meat and beef in general. This increase among Americans has led to the rise of cases of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and many kinds of cancers. With just one serving of meat a day, the chances of heart-related issues increase among Americans by up to 13 to 20%. Does anyone here remember the public school lunch options from when they grew up? I am sure you have both good memories and some very bad ones as well. I am pleased to say that our food selection here in Mecklenburg County has improved greatly over the past 10 to 15 years. However, there is still much work to be done as new health studies give us more information. Here is an example of our current offerings at one of our local elementary school, Reedy Creek. They have taken the first step in being one of our pilot schools by eliminating any meat-based options from their menu on each Monday of the month. The vision and the goal is that by 2023 school year, all state public schools of the Greater Charlotte and surrounding areas will be adopting a Meatless Monday policy and offer the student vegetarian or plant-based option. Vegan school lunches contain triple the amount of heart healthy fiber found in entries. Entries average 9.5 grams of fiber, while common meat-based entries average 2.8 grams. The American Heart Association suggests elementary children between the age of 9 and 13 to consume 26 to 30 grams daily fibers. About 14% of school districts around USA now offer plant-based options. We want this to be lasting change in our school and something that is carried over into the homes. A traveling team of health educators will visit our schools to share information and meal plans to help spread these new habits into the homes and lifestyle. The county health services are supporting the plan by making updates to their website and providing answers to the community members who are interested in learning more about the program and materials available. I wish to invite you all to join this program by reducing our red meat consumption and understanding the required balance of our diet. I know that we can improve the health of our families on a community level. Understanding the importance of a meatless mining as an idea and meat substitution options will increase the life expectancy of our loved ones and reduce the risk of disease-related issues. Thank you for your time to attend this presentation and share what you have learned with those who are close to you. One step to the right direction can influence so many who watch and walk beside you. If you would like to know more about our program, please visit our website www.lesismore.com.